Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create your very own WhatsApp announcement community using the latest update. If you've ever wanted to share important updates or news with a group of people without getting flooded with replies, WhatsApp's announcement communities are the perfect solution. Let's jump right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you've updated to the latest version so you can access all the newest features. Once you're in the app, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a tab labeled Communities. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you'll find all the communities you've joined or created. To start a new one, tap on New Community. Next, tap Get Started. WhatsApp will guide you through a few quick steps to set everything up. Now it's time to customize your community. Add a name that clearly represents what your community is about. Maybe it's a club, a team, or an organization. Then, write a short description so members know what to expect. You can also add a profile photo to make it look more inviting and recognizable. Once you're finished setting it up, tap on the checkmark in the top corner. That's it, your community is now live. When you create a new community, WhatsApp automatically generates an announcement group. This group is where only the admins can post messages, photos, or updates, ensuring your announcements stay organized and interruption-free. Members can read everything you share without the usual chat clutter. From here, you can start adding groups under your community, invite members, and keep everyone updated in one place. It's simple, clean, and perfect for managing information in a professional or personal setting. And that's how you create a WhatsApp announcement community from start to finish.